Alright, there's my headlight. It looks very foggy. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but we're going to try to clean this up. We'll see if this procedure works. It's my first time trying it, so wish me luck. Alright, so these are the products I'll be using today. First we have 1500 and 2000 sandpaper, and it looks like it's a Master Pro wet dry sandpaper. Also we'll be using this blue painter's tape around the headlights, and then we have some rubbing compound. This is a turtle brand, and it's going to be a medium to heavy and also a fine compound. And then for the end we'll be using this Plastic X, and this is supposed to take the yellow out in a final polishing compound. So this is my first time doing it, and I also bought this buffer, so we'll see how. Alright, here we go. We're going to start sanding. I have a little sponge and a piece of 1500 sandpaper, and they said just to sand away. It looks like the stuff is coming off. It looks like dirt, but it's actually just plastic sanding away. So we'll just keep it good and wet and sand it good. It's 1500. Look at that dirt. Some people said use 400, but I think that's too aggressive. So I'm going to stick with just a 1500 and sand a little bit longer. And the video said to do it straight motions, so it'd be easier to buff out instead of circular. So I'm going to try that. Looking pretty good. So let's go to the fine paper, the 2000. We'll clean up even more. That's looking darn good right there. Okay, let's rinse this off and let it dry, and then we'll move on to the next steps. Take this tape off now. It already looks a lot better than it did, but there's some buffing steps left. It's not done yet, but this is what it used to look like before sanding. Now we have to dry that completely and do our next step. So you can see it's cloudy white now, so we're going to get ready to do our buffing process. Alright, let's get our rubbing compound. And this one looks like it is the medium, light to medium. This one is the medium to heavy. So we'll start with the medium to heavy. I guess we have to open it first.
Today's the 7th, right?
My wife wanted to know what today is. It's going to change every time you watch the video.
Okay, today,
So
what is date today? Tomorrow? What's
So
going
we're
on?
rubbing a thin layer on the light as my wife figures out what today is. And she says it's windy here. So we got a light layer on there. Please hope she doesn't try to use the camera. Okay, here we go. So hopefully this works because I've never done it before.
The other video had 2 buffers.
Now she's talking about other videos. She said the other one had 2 buffers and I only had 1 buffer. So I'm at a disadvantage.
The other one was more shiny. That's still pretty good.
Alright, that looks pretty good, but now we're going to take it another step further. The medium to fine. A little bit like that will do ya. good. I'm impressed. It's so bad, I thought the damage was on the inside. That's just all outside.
Oh yeah. So nice. Wow.
So they told me to try this other product. It's supposed to do something. And take the yellow out. I don't even think we need it. But we'll put it on anyways. Won't hurt. I think it has a little bit of UV protection in it too. Alright, here we go.
That's really pretty.
Oh, my wife likes it.
Nice. Damn. Can I do the other side?
Yep. I'll let my wife do the other side. It's so easy. Wow, I'm impressed. Let's see what it looks like on video. Oh, we weren't recording. Kidding. Zoom in on it. That looks white. Okay, here we come to look at the other one. Can you see the difference? Look at how cloudy it is. So I think we have to do both.